As far as background colours are concerned, the default settings are when you're in model space, as I am now, so I'm drawing in this particular space, I'm editing, let's say, that flexible edging through there and just changing the shape of my borders. And here's another one I don't like, it's a little too tight. Whatever I do in the model gets reflected in the layout, but you'll notice when I swing to the layout space, the background is white. So our standard settings are when you're getting a preview of what the design might look like on paper, and I stress it's not a high resolution view, it's just a quick snapshot, you see it here with a white background. But when you're drawing, you're over in here, and the contrast between light and dark is a little kinder on your eyes. That's the way most people work. But it's not hard, not fixed. You can change things. Why that's important is it's really important not to mix spaces. If I move into this environment, none of this in the left of the drawing is part of layout space. But the little logo that I put in there, I can select it. It's in that particular layout space. And you can still pick its block references, its position, and information about it there. But I can't pick any of the others because they are in model space. So when I select them, now I can pick it as being in model space. So they're the standard settings. Now what we'll do is change those settings so that gCADPlus behaves differently. Well, when it comes to changing colours in the layout environment, you've got quite a bit of choice. Let's just see where we are at the moment. There's the default settings where you've got a white colour out here, white for the paper, the darker shadow effect on the paper to try and give you a visual clue that you're looking at a piece of paper. But if we go to drawing parameters and come down through here, it's possible to change the colour of that shadowing there, change the colour of the background colour, let's make it dark, and you'll see the effects. If we go, okay, now this is dark out here, and you can hardly see that shadowing. So whatever you want to set, you can set. It's based around whatever is in the default. So if you have a particular set that you want to use, apply it to your default drawing, and then it will always be available in that environment when you move to it. So we'll go back to model.